What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then you might not know that we're starting our Wash and Try It series today, and the first product I'm going to be using is the EcoStyler Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Gel. So this product has been a staple in my routine. So if you've seen my hair in the past maybe 3 months, then this is what I've been using. This is my second tub of this. And today I'm going to use the Eco Natural Cocktail Superfruit Curl Complex as my cream. What I did was I basically co-washed, detangled, and put oil in my hair, and I used the Main Choice Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Conditioner. These names are getting really long for conditioners, and y'all, I can't keep up. So I used that, and this is my hair right now. It's kind of fluffy. It almost started drying, but it didn't. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the Eco Natural Cocktail, and it smells so good, y'all. It smells like you can't even describe the fruit. Like guava, a little bit of banana and pineapple, and then some perfumey stuff. So that's what it smells like. It's white and it's really thick. I used this one time before when I went when I big chopped back in 2015, going into 2015. Yeah, going into 2015, I big chopped, cut off all my hair off, and my old videos will be posted up there. So I used this, and my hair was really short. It was a lot thinner, so this is more of a thick, creamy product now, as you can see. And before it was really, really watery. Now I really like it because it's thicker. So I'm going to apply it to my hair. I'm gonna use like that much. I don't go easy on the products, okay? And I told y'all that I was coming bigger and better in 2018. So here y'all go. Y'all can see everything. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest, apply this product to the rest of my hair. I really do like this product. I love the smell. It's not too perfumey when you get it on your hair, so you don't have to worry about that if you don't like, you know, extra perfumey smells. It is thick and creamy, which is what I look for in my creams. If you are like an OG to my channel, then you know one of my favorite creams was and still is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and it's the coconut hibiscus one. I hate the smell of the new Sacha Inchy one. I really don't like the smell. I think it has omega-3s and stuff in it, but I don't care. So these are my curls after applying the product. I could rake it through, but I'm gonna section off and do that when I do my gel. So I'm gonna move on to this section, and then I'll be right back with y'all so we can style my hair with this EcoStyler. And the main reason I wanted to do EcoStyler first was because it was the main product that I use to style my hair, and everybody always asks me, how do I get my curls like that? Well, my curls are just like this, but how do my curls hold like they do is the EcoStyler gel. And I do make sure my hair is very, very moisturized every time I do my hair. So now that I'm finished applying the cocktail cream, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the gel. So what I like to do is section my hair off into sections that are manageable for me to be able to rake through the product and not rip through my hair. That's how my hair grows, y'all. If not, I've been through the phase where I was just ripping out my hair each time I was doing it because my hair is thick as ever. And this product, if you haven't seen it yet, has little sparklies in it, and it's kind of like a yellow, but it's clear at the same time, and it's thick, and it smells so good. It is perfumey, I am not gonna lie to you. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Very, very, very defined, and I like it. Don't be afraid to use water. I have only water in this bottle. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the top, and then I'll be right back with y'all after my whole head is complete.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm just stepping in here for a little quick second, don't mind me.
Alright y'all, so I finished applying my gel, and this is it. Wet. And I like to style my hair like this, so I have it styled already. And what I'm going to do is wrap my hair up around my edges so that it stays like this, because I do have somewhere to be tonight, and I'm not doing my hair again for a couple days. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair up. So my hair is now wrapped up, and now I'm going to let it air dry. I don't ever use heat. Heat is not my thing. I haven't used heat since October of last year, so October 2016. I have not used heat since then. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and then I will see you guys in a minute. What's up, y'all? So this is the final look. My hair is about, I'd say, 75% dry, and this will not act right. So my hair is like 75% dry. I'm probably going to just fix my edges and then, you know, fluff it up, shake it up a little bit. But this is what the Jamaican black castor oil and flaxseed gel looks like in my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed Texture Tuesday. There will be more Texture Tuesdays every Tuesday, so make sure to come back to my channel, and also comment, like, and subscribe. Tomorrow's Workout Wednesday, so make sure you come back for Workout Wednesday, because a lot of you guys have been asking for this video. So, alright y'all, thanks for watching. Let's get into these hair porn slow-mos.